La vie nous compliquée, parce que nous fait tout côté. Bagaille met pas passer, presse la gagne tangaye.
Haiti Exchange here live at the festival with everybody here. So, nous tous venus en groupe.
Yep, together. We represent 305, Miami.
Oh, okay. So, comme nous étions Miami, so nous habitués dans le festival, ça va vrai?
Chaque année.
Chaque année. Depuis l'année commencé?
Depuis l'année commencé.
Oh, wow. So, où qu'on est pour demander, mon paquet monsieur, on seul dame, so, combien de fois nous avons checké là?
Bon, actuellement là, nous-mêmes, c'est nous qui chercher pour nous, parce que nous ne rien là, ça à peine paraît.
Parce qu'il y a un paquet de belles monde là, on sait là pour venir belle monde, mais nous comprenons.
Et là, pour venir belle monde. So, si bien comprendre, chaque année nous venons là, nous jouons belle monde, nous retournons venir pour plus belle monde.
Exactly.
So, comment nous le festival là déroulé là?
Chaque année, elle vient plus belle. Chaque année.
Moi, premier monde que je checker là, c'est vous-même. Après ça, je vais checker l'autre monde encore.
I'm off limit. I'm sorry to say, off limit. But still, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of pretty young ladies you'll be fine.
So, nous bien contents de gester à Belle, haïtienne sexy, qui représente nous là, nous bien contents. Et then, chaque année, tout pour toujours venir là pour faire le même travail là.
Parce que c'est un gros travail à faire, parce que pas tout le monde qui a fait le travail, ça va faire. Je remercie un peu pour ça.
Merci, chérie. Haiti Exchange, we're doing it. The people love it, and we're going to continue bring it live to you, okay?
All right.
Right.
Guys, we are at the festival live. As you can hear the music in the background. We have Heavy Hitter here.
Yeah, how you doing now? What's going on? Haitian Festival, baby, you understand that? Yeah, this VOD, man. Haitian Festival, we having a good time out here, you know, just out here chilling, you know.
And we gotta get this handsome fella right here. What's your name, baby?
Lamar.
Lamar. I see you representing Haiti really well. Okay, talk to me about that. What?
Say I love him. Hold on. Just say I love him. He comes straight from Haiti, man. Straight from Haiti, man.
Tell him d'Haïti?
Yeah.
I don't speak Creole.
You don't speak Creole?
No.
Oh, wow.
No. Hey, say I love Haiti. He been in my area.
I love Haiti.
Good. I'm glad to see you here. I see you passing flyers.
Hold him up.
I'm Haitian.
Okay. Good to have you, baby.
Rendezvous.
Wednesday night.
Ladies get in free.
Before 1 o'clock.
And they drink free before 12.
And they drink before 12.
You see this? They starting young. That's what you call a hustler. Now, let me. So we would like to thank you guys and enjoy the festival, okay?
All right. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
Oh my goodness, look at this, the man.
Hey, what's up, New York, New Jersey? What's up, LA? Haiti Exchange, boom, my guy.
This man, I don't need to introduce him because I'm pretty sure you guys know who he is, but still, let the people know who you are if they don't know.
My name is Fred Pinard and I am on radio and TV, touriste local, et certainement travail que Haiti Exchange a fait là, c'est superbe, HaitiExchange.com. If you want to know everything that goes in the community, HaitiExchange.com.
Very good job, yeah. Comment elle est?
Merci Loud.
Merci Loud. Moi-même, elle fait tout, on n'a même besoin de dire. Tout le monde a regardé là, yo, ouais, comment elle fait tout. So, est-ce que c'est chaque année au festival là ou habillé belle comme ça?
Yes, c'est chaque année au festival là, habillé belle comme ça, oui.
Moi, avec Timounio là, so, ça veut dire festival là, pas only pour grand monde, pour Timounio.
Yeah, pour tout le monde. Nous venons chaque année pour Timounio enjoy, pour yo, ouais, comment flag là important pour culture nous.
Oh, so, you proud of your flag as I can tell?
Oh yes, I'm very proud of my flag. I go to Miami and Haiti Festival.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. So let me turn around so the camera could see this whole outfit representing Haiti.
Haiti, yes. To the floor, 100% Haitian.
So how many years would you say you've been coming to this festival?
Well, I've been coming because my sister, because she always comes every year. She always come every year, and you know it's been like a tradition. And she got her kids coming, so I'm bringing my little niece, so we coming, so just to enjoy it.
Okay, so are you guys from here, or you guys just travel?
I was born here, but my sister and brothers are from Haiti.
Okay, well thank you so much, and enjoy it. Make sure the kids have a good time. I think there's Frisco, so give them some Frisco, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Please, lady, bring that back.